And this is the way we sharpen the blade. And that's what we call flush. Hey, that thing cuts better than new. And look what it's done with. When that chain was new, cut it flush. Sometimes you want to cut it flush because if you rip it out and excavate it, then you'll take the dirt and backfill it, but then it's going to take a while for that. Once that dirt settles in, you're going to have to get more dirt. What kind of chain is that, Ron?
Chisel chain.
Chisel chain. That's what he's using, a chisel chain. Got my son over here loading up the wood. There we go. That's how you cut a stump flush. So you see it jump a lot because it's because it is a chisel chain. Go. That chisel chain is sharp, man. Look at that.
Well, my husband's been working really hard this week while I've been working. He's doing the backyard. He did it with my son Xavier, my neighbor. Prepping it because I'm getting my pool. I'm getting a temporary pool until I get my in-ground pool. Timber! Yes, baby, yes! And we did a lot. Well, he did a lot. This is all full of trees. So sometime next week I should have my pool.
Last thing, if you're gonna cut trees, don't do it in shorts, because it winds up all in your boots. Sorry about the sun glare, but look at this shit.